Do you ever feel like this? You say you want discipline. You say you want God. But when the moment comes, you choose comfort. Again, it's not because you're weak. It's because your brain is wired for survival, not transformation. Your brain wants what's easy, what's familiar. But God didn't design your mind to stay stuck. He designed it to be renewed. Today, you're going to learn how to take control. The first battle of your day starts the moment you wake up. And most people lose it in seconds because the first thing they do is reach for their phone, scroll, check, consume, and instantly your brain is flooded with dopamine, cheap reward, fast stimulation, no effort, and your mind learns. Choose this again. That's how distraction becomes default. So here's your reset. For the first 30 minutes, no phone. Leave it in another room. Sit in silence. Yes, it will feel uncomfortable. Good. That's your brain resetting. Be still and know that I am God. Stillness is where control begins. Now understand this. Your thoughts are patterns, not truth. Patterns. Every time you think, I'm lazy, I'm not disciplined, I'll start tomorrow, you strengthen that path. You make it easier to repeat it. That's how identity is built. But here's the shift. Your brain can change. That's neuroplasticity. And Scripture already told you, take every thought captive. So here's your move. Choose one Scripture. Memorize it. And when the wrong thought shows up, interrupt it immediately, out loud. Example, I don't have discipline. No, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. You're not just speaking, you're rewiring, you're replacing identity. Now this is where it becomes real, because knowledge without action changes nothing. After your prayer, you must act immediately. Do the hard thing first, the thing you've been avoiding, the thing that requires effort, because discipline is built through decisions, not feelings. Every time you choose hard over easy, you strengthen control. You train your brain that the spirit leads and the body follows. That's power. Let's make this simple. Rewiring your brain is not about trying harder. It's about training smarter. Step 1, remove distraction. Step 2, replace your thoughts. Step 3, act with discipline. You are not stuck. You are just untrained, but training can change starting today. So tell me honestly in the comments, which of these 3 steps is the hardest for you? Drop it below. And if you're serious about taking control of your mind, subscribe to TrueNorth Life for more content that builds discipline, faith, and clarity.